Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by collecting the essentials and taking immediate action. Sign into the Google account tied to AdSense, then open AdSense and YouTube Studio side by side. This reveals status differences. If you have a suspension email, copy the exact wording because you'll need it for appeals. Once done, verify payment info, tax forms, and identity documents. Incomplete billing or ID mismatches are common triggers. Make sure your channel is linked to the correct AdSense publisher ID before moving to appeals. Now you construct a precise, evidence-based appeal. Start by choosing the correct form. AdSense account issues use AdSense appeals. Content strikes use YouTube's monetization appeal. Explain what you changed and why. Specify removed videos, updated descriptions, or new copyright clearances, and list exact video ID or dates. Attach supporting files like ID scans or invoice screenshots. This speeds verification. Once submitted, track the case number and expect responses within weeks, although complex cases may finish by monitoring and iterating until resolved. Check your email and AdSense dashboard daily for requests or partial reinstatement notes. Respond quickly to follow-ups. If your appeal is denied, carefully read the denial to identify remaining policy gaps and then submit a new appeal addressing only those points with fresh evidence. If you still hit a wall, escalate. Use YouTube Creator Support, the AdSense Help Community, or Twitter support. Persistence and clear, documented fixes are the fastest path back to revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.